Greetings, friends. I'm Cuthbert Sydenham, a Reformed gospel preacher from the 17th century, during the illustrious era of the Westminster Assembly. With the support of Puritan publications, I am privileged to reintroduce a seminal work of mine, titled Hypocrisy Discovered in Its Nature and Workings. Studying the teachings of Christ in Luke chapter 12, verse 1, I unravel the implications of the words, "Beware ye of the leaven of the Pharisees, which is hypocrisy." With theological clarity and a pastoral heart, my work aims to awaken those who are veiled in the mask of hypocrisy. It also assists genuine Christians in resisting hypocrisy in all its forms. This study differentiates the fine line between occasionally acting hypocritical, a trap many Christians can fall into, and truly being a hypocrite, which denotes a religious reprobate. I lay out 4 main areas of exploration. First, the nature of hypocrisy. Second, its various forms. Third, its actions. And fourth, the defining characteristics of hypocrites and their approach to religious duties. In your day, reminiscent of the perilous times as termed by the apostle, hypocrisy has unfortunately become a weapon for Satan. The disconcerting rise in formality, superficiality, and pretension among those professing the gospel serves as a blaring alarm for introspection. Our unwavering commitment to God and the gospel ought to be as pristine as the vessels of the tabernacle described in Exodus, crafted from pure gold. God commands devotion rooted in absolute holiness, with his churches standing as beacons of light for all. This book is now available in both ebook and printed versions. Presented as a contemporary adaptation, the archaic English language has been revised for clarity and modern relevance. You can procure your copy at Puritan Publications. I invite you to immerse yourself in this work, gaining spiritual insight into this pervasive ailment of your age, prompting personal reflection on your spiritual journey. Being a professing Christian is one thing, but embodying true, sincere faith is another realm entirely. Let's embark on this together, exalting King Jesus in his rightful rule and reign over us as genuine believers, casting off the mask of hypocrisy in every form. Amen.